Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon pear. So to start off with our pear, we're going to start down here, and you want to draw a line that's going to curve up like this. Then it's going to come here towards the top. It's going to go over and down. Then it's just going to continue down and curve right back to here. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and back down. I'm going to make a little line right here for the leaf. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve like this towards the top. And then it's going to swing right back down to here. Now I want to give my little pear a face. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around for a circle. And another one right here for an eye. And then we're going to put two pupils in here. And we can give it some eyebrows. Then I'm going to make a little line right in the middle with a big curved line for a mouth and a little tongue. Then I'm going to just color this in. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon pear. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.